Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will continue with the second part of Little Houses tutorial. In the first part, we made the house base and learned some methods to change the color. Today we will go further to see how we decrease, how to make a border and how to decorate. For the roof slope, we have to decrease, and here we have different ways. One way is the jump stitch and is done by jumping one stitch at the beginning of each row. As you can see, we insert the hook in the second stitch. We do this only at the beginning of each row. Another way to decrease is to work two stitches together. We make first and second stitch together. Simple like that. Because each decrease will tilt the work to the left if you are right-handed and to the right for left-handed people, we must be careful to decrease only at the beginning of the row. Border. We finished the little house and now we want to make a nice border around it. If you want to make the border in a different color, start as in chapter 2 version A. I will make the border with the same color as the roof. Don't cut the yarn. Make the first stitch of the border in the same stitch as the last one in the work. Continue with one single crochet in each row and between rows. In order for the row not to tighten up, in the corner we will do in the same stitch 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet. We try to make a path in one go. In this case, I will do like this. We start with a chain stitch. That we insert here. So that the working thread is on the back and the chain is on the front. If you liked this tutorial and find it useful, please click like and subscribe. For questions or suggestions, leave a comment. Thank you for watching my channel.